Every time a school chooses Securely, a multi-layer digital defense is put in place. That's why we're so excited your school has chosen Securely and entrusted your child's online safety with us. Whenever your student is on their school device, we are at work behind the scenes, protecting them from inappropriate content and flagging activities that could point to self-harm or bullying. Think of us as an extra set of eyes looking out for them in the digital world. In an effort to make your child's online experience as positive as possible, we're now making it easy for parents to be looped in too. Upon downloading the Securely Home app, you will have the ability to view a live feed of your child's online activity, including what sites they are visiting and searches they are making. You'll even have the option to enable push notifications and receive alerts for any flagged activities, such as self-harm or bullying. And the Securely Home features don't stop when your child leaves school. If your school allows access, the app also makes it possible for you to set your own device rules when the device is at home and pause the internet if you need to. Be sure to keep an eye out for the Securely Welcome email containing the Securely Home app download link and instructions for getting started. We will also provide you with a weekly email including a snapshot of your child's online activity. Thank you for allowing us to be part of keeping your students safe online. We look forward to partnering with you in this pursuit.